Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we have a new subscription box unboxing. I am so excited. I have been trying to get a workout in every single day. Recently, I have an Apple Watch and I'm trying to close all of my rings every day. I have been I have been successful for the past 8 days. So I started this 8 days ago, but I've been trying to work out for like a couple of months now. But now that I'm getting very serious into it, I need to upgrade my workout wardrobe because I have barely any workout clothes, and especially now that it's getting much warmer outside, I really don't have the leggings, the tops, the sports bras to go along with the nice weather and my habit forming ways. At least I'm hoping to form some good habits. So you can't try on clothes in stores, I don't think, at least not right now. And I'm a little hesitant to try and buy things online because I just hate returning stuff so much. And so I did a little Googling and tried to find a service that might send me active wear to try on from home and then send back easily anything that I don't want to keep. And that is when I found Wantables, which is much like, I think, Stitch Fix, which I do those unboxings on my channel. There is a $20 styling fee, and then that $20 styling fee gets applied towards anything you choose to keep. I really liked the way that this service worked when I signed up because it let you go through, I can't remember what they called it exactly, but it was like a catalog of a whole bunch of options, like leggings, tops, sports bras, all that kind of jazz. It gave you like so many things to go through, and you could add them to like a request log. And I don't know if all of the items in here are going to be from that log that I requested, or if it'll be a mix of things that I requested and other things that they think that I might like. But I thought that was really cool that they gave that option. Of course, there is like a whole style guide kind of thing and a sizing guide and all of that. So hopefully I'll find some things in here that I'm gonna love and want to hold on to. They're things that I've been wanting to buy anyways, and now I can try them on from the comfort of my home. I think that there's between 6 and 7 items in here. This is the first time that I'm getting this box, so I'm very excited. I will leave a referral link down below. I don't believe that there's like a sign up credit with Wantables, so like I get $20, you get $20 or anything like that, like there is with Stitch Fix. So that's a bit unfortunate, but if you'd like to try it out, I'd love it if you use my referral link, because then I get some money off of my next box if I continue this service. Looks like we got some information on the front here, just talking about what you do. Try it all on, check out, leave reviews, send it back. Okay, easy enough. All right, so here is my pouch. Box is empty, great. It looks pretty thick, I'm very excited. We have a piece of paper. I think on the inside are my items, probably. Yes, okay, so we're not gonna look at that yet. Is there any, oh, there's another card. It is the prepaid mailer envelope. Perfect, I love to see that. Okay, we'll put that off to the side because I probably will not be keeping every item in here. All right, on top, what do we have? Ooh, okay. On top, we have okay. So at first glance, this doesn't look very exciting. This is a tank, it's a gray tank, but if I flip it around, it has this really cool, I don't know what you call this, but it's an opening on the back that has a little tie at the base. I think that's so cute. It's a really nice material. Oh, so you can tie it up or you can let it loose. I think I like the way that it looks tied. So let's see. This is the Peach Skin Collection by the brand by Gotex, maybe? Oh, Gotex Studio. Okay, so I'm excited to try that on. I'm not necessarily in love with the color, just because it's so pale and I'm so pale, so it kind of will wash me out a bit, but I like the style of it. Ooh, second item. Okay, we have another top. This one is just a plain kind of berry pink tank, which is fine. Ooh, this is made of bamboo. That's cool. Let's see. So this is by the brand Task. Bamboo Performance Technology, size medium. So I like that. That's kind of cool. This isn't really necessarily a style, like a color that I might go for, but it's not too bad. Okay, so that's item number 2, another top. Oh, my blood sugars are dropping. All right, let me go take care of that real fast. All right, let's do the rest of these. Ooh, this one's kind of cute. So this is just an all black shirt with kind of this cool mesh cutout in the back. I like this one. This one's probably my favorite one so far. It's got that nice material. Did this say, oh no, what brand is this? This is, look, it comes, it has a little hair tie on it. So this is by the brand Soybu. I think this is their endurance tee, black size medium. I really like this one. I'm excited about this. Okay, next, I think, ooh, oh, this is cute. Okay, next we have a sports bra, and it is tie-dye, which I really like. This is cute. I really like the colors of these. So this is by the brand Colosseum. Okay, size medium. Okay, I'm excited about this. This is cute. Next we have another sports bra. This one is lined, as you can see. This is by the brand, oh, another one by Soybu. High impact stretch reflex. I like it. Size medium, midnight striped key bra. So this is the front, and then this is, oh, that's kind of hard to see. This is the back. You can see that. This looks like a nice standard sports bra. Did I show the back of this one? I don't remember if I showed the back of this one. This is what the back of this one looks like. I think that I like this sports bra more than the other one, but who knows? I might get them on and might feel completely differently. So far we have 3 shirts, 2 sports bras. Ooh. Oh my gosh. We have a sweater. We have a sweater. Oh my God, it's so soft. This is an all black sweatshirt, but it's a little less weighty than a sweatshirt. It does have a pocket, which I love, and then the drawstrings. Ooh, this is like the perfect loungewear, activewear. Size medium. Okay, that makes sense. By the brand MPG, designed for life in motion. Okay, this is extremely soft. Very excited about that one. And then we only have 1 pair of leggings. Gonna be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. I was really looking for some more leggings, so I will probably be placing another order, but we do have the 1 pair. So, ooh, these are nice. I was kind of hoping for some shorter leggings, and these are very long. These look full length, but they do have pockets, which is what I'm looking for. Another one by the brand Soybu. These are in the size medium. These are a really nice purple color, and then like I said, they're pretty long, but they look like they'll go up high enough on my stomach, so that's good. They also have a little pocket in the back band also. Okay, so we have leggings, sweatshirt, 2 sports bras, so 3, 4, 5, 7. So we do have 7 items. Okay, definitely some things in here that I'm very excited about. Looking at my little printout right here, you can add account notes and you can add order notes. So on my account, I put that I'm not a fan of animal print or camo, but I love earthy tones. I have mentioned that I have an insulin pump, so pockets on my leggings are essential. And then on this order specifically, I said I'm doing more workouts from home and walking / jogging outside. I could use more leggings that aren't full length and would love to try some shorts that aren't too short to avoid chafing. That's the notes that I added. There is a note from the stylist on here. Ooh, okay, so they are sold out of shorts and capri leggings at this time. Okay, and then we have the items. So, oof, okay. So I got prices on everything. Oh, there's a discount. I don't remember seeing that. It must be if you keep everything, you get a discount. Okay, so let's start with, I guess, what's in my lap. So the leggings are $76, which although high, is not as high as many other good quality leggings. The jacket, the sweater, the other thing that I was very excited about, $72. A bit unfortunate. I don't know that I would love, $72 is a lot of money. Okay. And it's not something that I totally need, so we'll see how much I love it when I put it on. This, which I'm very excited about, is something that I loved / requested. So there are 2 items that I requested out of the style log. The sweater and this sports bra are in that. So this sports bra is $46, so I don't think that that's too outrageous. The other sports bra is $40, the one I like a little bit less, so that's not, again, too bad. The black shirt that I like is $35. All right. The fuchsia tank is $38, and then the last item, the back tie knot in ice gray, is $50. Ooh, okay. Total price of all 7 items is $357. It looks like if I were to keep everything, I save, oh no, if I keep 5 items, I save 20%, so that's pretty cool. If I were to keep everything, I would get a discount of $71.40. Also, my styling fee gets applied to this box. Okay, so I'm definitely not gonna be keeping everything because I do not have $265 to spend, but I would like to keep a couple items. So let's try everything on. Okay, am I outrageously uncomfortable? Yes, I am. This light is just like not doing me any favors. Okay. So I have on the first sports bra. It feels really uncomfortable in the back. It's something about where it hits in the back that I'm just not a huge fan of. I mean, the front looks pretty cute. It's relatively secure. These are my own leggings, one of the 3 that I own. But there's something about the bra that just doesn't feel quite right. So I don't think I'm going to keep this one. I did want to put it on though so that I could wear a sports bra underneath the shirts that they sent. So yeah, this is the first one, and I'm just not feeling it. Not feeling it too much. Okay, so we have the first tank, which looks, I think, pretty unflattering off the bat. I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but the back is pretty cute. I like the little knot back here, but the front just looks just not so good. Not loving the front. So this one's gonna be a no. All right, I went ahead and popped a knot on this one because it was so long. I like this one better than I liked the one that I just had on. I actually really like the material, the bamboo material. The color's okay also, but, well, I don't know. I kind of, maybe I do like it. It doesn't have anything special on the back. It's just a bright pink kind of, you know, workout tank top tank. I usually don't like things that are too scooped. I like things that are a little more v-necked or deeper scoops, but this is okay. I kind of like this. Okay, this one's not so bad. Still not sure if I'm going to keep it, but I do like this one. Ugh, I really should not have eaten sushi right before the try-on portion of this haul. Okay, so here is the other sports bra. I do like this one a lot more. I think it's really cute. It's very comfortable, unlike the other one. And I don't know how well you'll be able to see the back, but I like this. I like this one a lot. I would definitely consider keeping this one. I might need to tighten it up a little bit in the straps, but it fits pretty good. I think I have one more shirt, the sweatshirt, and the leggings left to try on. Okay, so I have the leggings on, and they fit okay, except they're extra long and they like bunch up down at my ankles. I really didn't want leggings that were long like this. We're going into summer. I don't want to have to wear super long leggings when I'm working out, walking, jogging, whatever, during the summer. So I don't think I'm going to keep these. The shirt though, so this is the black shirt with like the mesh cutout on the back. I don't know, yeah, you can kind of see that. I do like this shirt. I'll have to really think about if I want to keep it. I feel like I would wear it, but it's black and it's short sleeved. Would I get a lot of use out of it right now? I don't know. So this is a maybe, this shirt. The leggings are a no. The sports bra, the tie-dye one, I think is a yes. I do really like that one. The only thing left that I have is the sweatshirt, or yeah, the sweatshirt. So let me put that on. Okay, so sweatshirt is on. It is incredibly soft, but I don't feel like it's very flattering on the body. If it was unreasonably comfortable, soft, and looked really good, I might be willing to spend like 72 bucks on it, but the fact that it doesn't even really look that great, not so inclined. So I think this is gonna go back to, it is like, it's kind of cute, it's very comfortable, not $72 worth. So let me put back on my clothes because I think I've tried everything on now, and we'll just wrap up with some final thoughts. All right, so I have everything in front of me. Let's first talk about the things that are gonna go back. So the first of which is the sweater, which I believe was $72, a little too pricey, like I just mentioned, for what it is. This was one of the things on my loves list, but it didn't look good enough to warrant a $72 price tag at this time. Next, we had the leggings, which I didn't hate. Well, I am 5'2", and they were just simply too long. So those will be going back. And I think off the bat, those are the two most expensive items in the box. So that's fine. Next, we have the key bra in midnight stripe. This was $40. This is gonna go back. It just fit weird on my shoulder blades. I just didn't like the way that it felt. So that's gonna go back. I do like the stripes, but it just didn't fit quite right. And finally, this one right here, the back tie top in ice gray for $50. This just, from the front, wasn't that cute. From the back, it was kind of cute, but didn't love the color, didn't totally love the fit. So that is also going to go back. Now, the one thing I'm definitely gonna keep is this sports bra right here. This is the Ava Bra in tie-dye medium for $46. I did really like this. I like the color, I like the fit, it was comfortable, it was cute. I think I could wear that for yoga activities as well as hiking, walking, jogging, that kind of thing. I did like this tank. So this was kind of nice, and so was this black shirt. So we have the Endurance short sleeve tee, and then we have the NOLA tank in fuchsia. I did like those, but one of them's $38, one of them's $35. Do I like them enough to spend over $30 on? I don't think. Not so much this one. The black one, it's hard to say. If I were to have gotten this box in like the fall time when it was already starting to get cool outside, I might have been a lot more tempted to keep it. But because we're going into summer and I really don't want to wear black short sleeve or long sleeve or anything like that for working out, I kind of feel like I just don't have a need for it right now. I did really like the way that this looked. I liked the fit. I just won't need it at this time, especially for $35. So I think out of this first box, I'm only gonna keep the one bra, and my $20 styling fee does get applied to this. So at least I found one thing that I liked, which is really the goal. I'll probably order another box maybe in a month or so to see if I can get any more leggings, because again, I really do need some leggings, but I want some shorter leggings. I don't want long leggings. I have a couple of long leggings and no capri or shorts. So that will be coming in the future. If you liked this video, if you like unboxings, consider giving this one a thumbs up. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I will have a referral link down below. If you would like to check out Wantables, they have an active subscription, which is what I'm signed up to. They also have like a fashion subscription version of this. That link will be down below for your convenience. If you would like to not miss future uploads, future unboxings of Stitch Fix and Wantables and all of that jazz, definitely consider subscribing, because those are always going up on my channel. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.